to clean the cooking pot after cooking ugali.
I add it with hot water. You can use cold water, but I just like hot water. So I fill it up all the way to where, as long as I can see some ugali left over, the water goes in. So fill it up all the way, and then what I do is I take soap. You can use any kind of soap you want. I just have Dawn. It's one of my favorite soaps. So I use that. I used vinegar. So I just pour in there. Like that. Then I take it up right here. And I'm going to bring it to boil. There. And so it's going to boil, and I'm going to leave it to boil. And then once it boils, I'm just going to let it sit. Boiling. And if you can see, a lot of the particles are already like loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit. It's going to sit, and once it cools down, we'll do the scrub. But I'm telling you, it's going to be a piece of cake. So, I'm ready to clean. So I need this. There's no shortcut, guys. You need this. So what I do is I drain it out. If you have a great dish disposal, use it, but usually I don't do that. And then I take this, and then I add my Dawn, like using my Dawn, sorry. I add just a little bit soap, and you do the scrubbing. Listen, you need gloves. I'm just African, so I'm used to cleaning it, and so you clean. See? You scrub. You guys can see what I'm doing. Let's rinse. I'm gonna rinse it a little bit. So as you can see, we are getting somewhere. And you keep scrubbing. And it's clean. Thank you.